In front of me is Honor Pad 9, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting Photos or Albums at the bottom. Either way, if you wish to delete your photos, hold the chosen one. And then to select multiple right away, use this icon at the top right corner. Now to discard some of those photos that you wish to keep, click on them. And to get rid of the rest, use this pin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete them from photos, hold the chosen one. And use exactly the same option at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!